Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Imagine this scenario: an attacker attempts to break into your system by guessing passwords over and over again. Without proper security, they could eventually succeed. But what if you could stop them in their tracks after just a few failed attempts? That is where an account lockout policy becomes your first line of defense. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up an account lockout policy in Windows Server 2022. These critical security features protect your organization from unauthorized access and brute force attacks, keeping your data safe. Let's dive into it. So I'm already here on the server manager dashboard. On the upper right side here, click on tools and then click on group policy management here to open the group policy management console. And here, what we have to do, let me show you from the beginning. First, expand your forest here, your domain, and expand also domains here in case you have multiple. You can see all of them here, and expand the domain on which you want to set up this group policy. And on group policy objects here, right click on it and then click on new. So name your GPO here. I'm gonna name this account lockout, and then click on OK. So you have now your lockout policy group policy object here, but it's not configured. So let us configure this. Click on edit here, and now on edit here. So yeah, edit here. I'm gonna show you a little bit bigger. And edit here, it's open. So expand computer configuration or automatically expand, and then expand policies here, and expand Windows settings. In Windows settings, expand security settings. In security settings, expand account policies here, and you can see here we have password policy. So that I already show you how to set up a strong password policy using a GPU. So in the previous video, today we are going to set up account lockout policy here. Click on lockout policy. You can see that we have three settings or policy settings that we can set up for this lockout policy. So click on the first one, which is account lockout duration here. That is just the time that your account will remain locked out. So if you go on the explanation here, you can see this security determine the number of minutes a locked out account remains locked out before automatically becoming unlocked. So the available range is from 0 minutes through 99.39 minutes. So if you set the account lockout duration to 0, the account will be locked out until an administrator explicitly unlocks it. So we are not gonna do this. And if an account lockout threshold is defined, the account lockout duration must be greater than or equal to the reset time. So let us set up all of this. So let us say that check this define policy settings, and we want that our account lockout duration to be set to 15. So in that case, if there is a problem and our account is locked out, so the user have to wait for 15 minutes later after being able to try again to log in. So click on apply, okay, and then okay. Account lockout threshold here. Double click on it and go on the explain, click on explain here. You can see that this security setting determines the number of failed logon attempts that causes a user account to be locked out. So a locked out account cannot be used until it is reset by an administrator or until the lockout duration of the account has expired. You can set a value between 0 to 999 failed logon attempts. If you set the value to 0, the account will never be locked out. So here we're gonna say that if someone tried 3 times wrong password, we want this account to lock down and to be locked out. So click on apply and then OK. Here, if we go to the reset account lockout counter after, double click on it. If we click on explain here, it said that this security determines the number of minutes that must elapse after a failed logon attempt before the failed logon attempt counter is reset to 0 by logon attempts. And the available range is 1 minute to 99.39 minutes. And if account lockout threshold is defined, this reset time must be less or equal to the account lockout duration. So here, this time cannot be greater than 15 minutes because this is how it works. So if a threshold is set up as we already configure a threshold, which is 3 attempts, um, 3 absence of logon, if we define that this time must be less or yeah must be less or equal to the local duration. The local duration, remember we said that to 15. So if we try, for example, to set this to 16, normally it won't work because it has to be less. Yeah, yeah, it's not. I don't know why is this working, but it says it must be, yeah. If an account local threshold is defined, this time must be less or equal to the account local duration. So yeah, um, let us set up this. Yeah, can be greater than that. So 15, click on apply and then okay. So now we have set up. Oh, sorry, it changed this to yeah, at the 15. Yeah. Okay, everything seems to be great now. Now let us finish by linking this GPU to our domain here. Click on your domain and right click on it and click on link an existing GPU. And here we have our account lockout selected and click on OK. Now let us open our PowerShell to update our GPU configuration. So open it as an administrator and then type this command gp update / enforce and hit enter. Just updating policy, just wait. So it will update group policies here. So you can see that computer policy update has completed successfully and also user policy update has completed successfully. Now your GPU is running and everything seems great and it's secure now. So in the upcoming video, I'll show you I'll connect a computer to this domain and try all of those settings to see how it's work. So I hope you find this helpful. Apply this on your own and see you on the next video.